guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I put up my mega box braids in a high bun using either one of two methods. In this channel we talk about hair care, including tips, routines and many more. So if you know you are interested in this type of content, make sure to hit that lovely subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video. The first method involves wrapping your braids together at once in a bundle and using it to form your bun. In the second method, you pick the braids one at a time while forming your bun. I've had these box braids in now for quite some time, and for braids that I refreshed myself, I'm actually quite surprised that they lasted this long, although I'm going to be taking them down very soon. And if you are interested to know how I refreshed my box braids, I'm going to leave the link down in the description box below, so if you are interested you can check that out. And if you are interested in knowing how much hair I retained while in this protective style, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload that video, because I'm actually planning to do a length check video after taking down this protective style. So let me know in the comment section down below which of these methods you use when putting your hair up in a bun. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.